Kasi nakalagay sa huli, is a good organic beef farming in the forest.
Hindi pa rin organic kasi may
Kasi yung
50%
commercially
na.
available, hindi mo alam kung ano
Yung iba nun, like yung soybeans nun, usually 10% ng soybeans na grain is
GMO.
genetically modified organism.
Wow.
Kaya, yung pala,
Kawawa naman. Ikaw lang mas maganda to
Kasi
eh.
halimbawa, di ba, booster, may mga ano, may mga vitamins, may mga
tsaka yung mga chicks mo na usually when you buy them,
Chicken, please.
vaccinated na sila, hindi sila lang kinakain sa kanila.
O sila yung organic.
ano yung organic
Kasi organic.
As what?
Chicken feet, di ba?
Taking name mo kasi na ano, significant. O, kung sa one way ANOVA mo, there is significant difference. For the whole, ibig sabihin, within the name, may significant differences. Pero hindi ka naman nag-conduct ng ano, ng comparison between ano, treatments. So, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, hindi mo pinpoint.
Stock up lang sila, Inday.
Kung ano yung procedure ng treatment.
Nakakabatanong yun.
From the different treatment,
Kasi
kanya-kanya
diba,
approved ba yan?
Oo.
pag sinabi mo, halimbawa, yung analysis of variance mo, pag significant, it shows kung study mo, pero may significance. Pero, you also have to meron significant different, case,
Kawawa naman.